In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove backgrounds using Figma AI. We'll walk through the process from inside Figma so you can quickly turn any image into a clean, background-free asset ready for your designs. This is perfect for product shots, profile photos, or any image where you just want the subject to stand out. First, make sure you already have your image placed on the Figma canvas. You can drag and drop an image file into your file, or use the import option if you prefer. Once your image is on the screen and selected, we're ready to use Figma's AI tools. Look toward the top of your Figma window and find the main menu where you usually access things like File and Edit. From there, you'll want to open the section labeled Plugins and Widgets. This is where Figma keeps all the extra tools that extend its core features. Hover over it or click it, depending on your setup, and a list of available plugins and widgets will appear. Within that list, locate the option called Remove Background. This is Figma's AI-powered feature that automatically detects the subject in your image and cuts out the background. Go ahead and click on Remove Background while your image is still selected. If you don't see it right away, you may need to scroll or look under a submenu, but it should be clearly labeled. As soon as you click it, Figma AI will start processing your image. You'll usually see a small loading indicator or a short message letting you know that it's working. This can take a few seconds, especially if the image is large or has a lot of detail, so give it a moment to finish. Next, follow the on-screen prompts that appear. Depending on the current version of Figma AI, you might be asked to confirm the layer you want to edit, select a style, or apply the result as a new layer. Simply read each prompt carefully and choose the option that best matches what you want. In most cases, accepting the default suggestions works well and gives you a clean cutout. Once the AI is done, you'll see your image with the background removed, usually on a transparent canvas. At this point, you can resize it, add shadows, place it over new backgrounds, or incorporate it into your designs just like any other Figma layer. And that's all you need to do to remove backgrounds using Figma AI. Open plugins and widgets, choose Remove Background, and follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your image.